Security is often understood as a concept tied to military threats. Traditional view does not fully capture the broader dimension of security. But what if we approach security from a different perspective through the lens of gender? In Laura Sjoberg's article, Feminist Security and Security Studies, published in the Oxford Handbook of International Security in 2018, introduced a feminist perspective to international security studies. And in this video, we will explore how feminist theories redefine security, challenge traditional paradigm, and uncover the ways gender shapes global dynamic often overlooked in conventional approaches.
According to Sjoberg, the feminist approach in security study treats gender not only as a biological category of male and female, but also as a social structure that influences the behavior of individual, organization, and even state. Gender here is not just personal identity, it's a social structure that shapes our understanding of power, violence, and security. Sjoberg highlights that in global politics, masculinity is often associated with strength, aggression, and dominance. On the other hand, femininity is linked to the weakness, dependency, and vulnerability. This perception of hierarchy underpinning international politics systems and influence how actors behave and respond to situations. For example, in many armed conflicts, masculinity expresses through physical violence, warfare, or military dominance. It's often a priority in security study. This results in a narrow understanding of threats and overlook other critical aspects of insecurity.
Through feminist security studies, Sjoberg outlines 4 key contributions that broaden and deepen international security studies. First, she expanded the definition of security beyond interstate warfare. While armed conflict is one of the most visible threats, many other issues also contribute to insecurity, such as gender-based violence, social inequality, and injustice within societies versus social threats. For instance, in states, during conflict, women often become victims of sexual violence as an issue rarely recognized as a primary security threat in traditional studies. Feminist approach encourages us to rethink what constitutes a threat to security. Second, Sjoberg examines the value prioritizes in international security. In many cases, values such as strength, domination, and aggression dominate security policy. Feminist perspectives challenge this value by emphasizing inclusivity and human well-being. Third, Sjoberg identifies how gender fundamentally shape both the theory and the practice of security. Gender influence how we perceive actors in international politics and how security policies are implemented. For example, the critical roles women play in a peace process are often overlooked in a policy dominated by male actors. Feminist approach are to recognize the active contribution of women in maintaining peace and stability. Fourth, Sjoberg revealed that ignoring gender in security studies does not make it neutral. Instead, it reinforces existing hierarchical structure in international politics. In other words, nothing in security studies is truly neutral. It is shaped by existing biases and a power structure.
However, while these articles offer significant insights, there are also some limitations to consider. One primary critique is the lack of empirical methodology. Many of Sjoberg's arguments are based on conceptual and theoretical analysis. While these arguments are compelling, the absence of empirical data makes them harder to test. As Sjoberg has critiqued, much feminist work in security studies lacks the empirical research necessary to support theoretical claims. While Sjoberg's arguments are well constructed, integrating empirical research would strengthen her analysis and make it more applicable in real-world scenarios. Also, another limitation in Sjoberg's focus on Western context. Many of the examples cited are drawn from countries like the United States and Europe. However, the experience of women in non-Western countries, particularly those facing conflict or instability, often differ insignificantly. And also, Sjoberg analysis would be richer if it included perspective from regions directly impacted by colonialism, imperialism, and regional conflicts.
In today's context, as tensions grow around human rights, gender equality, and social justice, Sjoberg's article become increasingly relevant. It's opened up space for more inclusive decision within security study. Viewing security through a feminist lens shift the focus toward the well-being of individual and community of as a part broader security strategies. As a separate argument, gender analysis is crucial for understanding contemporary issues like terrorism, discrimination, and gender-based violence. Feminist practices encourage us to consider how violence and insecurity affect individuals, not just state or military actors. This approach is further enriched by critical feminist race theory, which introduces a deeper understanding of intersectionality, how race and ethnicity, class, and gender interact to create complex security experience, showing interconnection between social factors.
In conclusion, Laura Sjoberg article provides a significant contribution to expanding the traditional boundaries of international security studies by incorporating a gender perspective by introducing new categories like human security and gender-based security. Sjoberg lays the foundation for a more inclusive and contextual approach to security. However, the article also highlights ongoing challenges in integrating feminist perspective into traditional security studies, which often resist conceptual change. There is a need for stronger empirical research and a more inclusive focus on global diversity. What do you think? Can feminist approach transform how we understand and formulate global security policy in the future? Let us know the comment. Thank you for watching.